Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the Smart School. Hope you all are fine. So it is your mathematics class. Kindly open your books at page number 10. Okay, 110. Today is Tuesday. Date is 22nd December 2020. Our topic is weight. Our student learning objective is to write the weight of given items. We will write the weights of given items. Okay, bache. In this chapter, yesterday we have studied that the things which is heavy in weight is always in downward direction, and the one who is lighter in weight is always in upward direction. Okay, bache, today we will study about the concept that why the things are in level. Okay, look here, both the things are in level. None of them is in downward direction or in upward direction, because the things when both things on the level are of same weight, they they will be in same level. Okay, bache, look here the example which we have done on Friday, that here a floor shake is of 5 kg and this weight is also of 5 kg, so both of them are in same level. Here the weight of 2 mango is equal to 700 grams, so both of them are in same level. It means when the two things are of same level, obviously they will be in are of same weight, obviously they will be in same level. And when these are of different weight, the heavier one is always in downward direction, while the lighter one will always be in upward direction. Okay, bache. Here look, the weight of coconut is 3 kg. That's why it is in same level with this stone. Okay, with this weight. Here the pumpkin is 2 kg. That's why it is in same level. Coconut is 1 kg heavier than pumpkin. Obviously, coconut is 3 kg, pumpkin is 2 kg, so coconut is 1 kg heavier. Here pumpkin is 1 kg heavier than apple. Obviously, apple is 1 kg, so pumpkin is 2 kg. It is 1 kg heavier than apple. Okay, look, the weight of the sack of rice is 6 kg. Obviously, it is 6 kg because they are in same level with the weight. Okay. Next, the weight of sack of sugar is how many kg? Obviously, it is 5 kg. Okay, and the weight of chicken is also 5 kg. It is page number 116 of your book. Kindly open your book at page number 115 and 116. Okay, you have to done this page number 116. Okay, on your textbook, that the weight of rice is 6 kg. The weight of sack of sugar is 5 kg. The weight of chicken is 5 kg. Okay. Okay, bache. And there are some blanks. The chicken is 3 kg lighter than sack of rice. The blanks under the chicken is 3 kg lighter than the sack of rice. The sack of sugar is 1 kg lighter the sack of rice. 1 kg. Okay, in second blank. The chicken is lightest and the rice is the heaviest. Done page number 115 and 116 on your textbook. Kindly, bache, revise your lecture twice. Take care. Have a nice day.